Tim with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.
Go ahead.
Alright, so we're on a Kenmore Elite gas dryer, and the complaint is that the check lint screen and cycle signal volume just constantly beeps like this. And even though we check the lint screen, this is still going on, and you can't start a cycle for a while and it'll continue to go on. So what we're gonna do is definitely check the venting and then take this guy apart and make sure that the belt for the blower motor and everything is intact and not full of lint. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is unplug our unit and remove the top cover. There are two clips at each side. You will have to open the door to actually lift the cover. So we will depress clip number one. And these are usually in there pretty good. And they always seem to come out when you take them off, so don't worry, it happens all the time. Get the next one, and now we can lift up our cover. And now it's very similar to other dryers. We have our door switch here that we will use our painter's tool to open up. And now we have two 5/16 bolts at each side to remove. So we will get in there and remove those guys. Once those are out of there, we can lift it up on each side and remove the entire front. And now we'll have to, we can see down here we've had a little bit of a fire. So what we're gonna do is remove the front. Yeah, so if we look down here, we can see where the lint has caught fire a little bit. So we'll definitely inevitably have a dirty dryer to begin with. And usually it's an indication that we have either a problem with the venting or the blower wheel belt has come off, so we'll have to further investigate. Okay, so to gain access to the rest of the dryer, we're going to remove this front cover, and we're going to start down here by removing the 5/16 screws. And really it's just easiest to remove the moisture sensor connectors right there so that we have them completely gone. And we'll remove these bottom screws. And then really on the top here, you just have to loosen them. They have a little notch so that they stay in place for you. And now we can just lift up and get the rollers off of the drum at the bottom. Now we'll just go ahead and remove the rest of this front cover. And we'll take this and get that out of the way. Now with that removed, this whole front panel will come off. And you can see a little more what happened down here. Now we'll go ahead and remove the belt, and it's just got the same kind of idler pulley. We'll pull back on the pulley to release the pressure and take the belt off. While we got it off, we'll just take a look at it. It is pretty split, so we'll add that into our estimate, and we'll just remove the drum. you can see all the different debris and stuff that's in here. So really what this will need is to be cleaned out real good, and to have the belt replaced, and make sure that we're getting good airflow out of the venting, and that will fix the alarm code. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.